is available.
We shall need copies to interrogate.
The challenge of once again is due to insufficient funding, and the accounting officer was able to allocate and spent government of Uganda funding, and the commission has continued to engage development partners such as for Human Rights, UNODC, UNFPA, EABO. So part of this development is subsidizing additional support to our budget to increase our ability and capacity to inspect places of detention. And in financial 26-27, it is proposed to increase the budget for the Directorate of Monitoring and Inspections as well.
Yes. Now, as I open up, accounting officer, who chairs the tribunal? Beyond record.
The tribunal is chaired by the chairperson of the Uganda Human Rights Commission.
When did the tribunal last sit? Because we are seeing issues with investigation, handling, inspection. Let's first capture this on record.
The tribunal last sat in December 2025.
So, Madam Chairperson, beyond record, in circumstances that the Auditor General is making observation of all this, so many cases lasting up to now, some aging up to 21 years. The system of tracking up these cases is also troubling. And these are human rights concerns. Your manual requires observation of all this. So many cases lasting up to now, some aging up to 21 years. The system of tracking up these cases is also troubling. And these are human rights concerns. Your manual requires that you investigate and ordinarily handle within 8 months. What has occasioned all this?
Mr. Chairman, the AO has just said we last convened a tribunal session in December last year. That was in Moroto regional office, and which spilled over to January this year. And yes, following the Attorney General's legal opinion, the chairperson of the commission chairs every tribunal session. The major, let me say this, I think as far as I know, the only impediment to convening regular sessions is lack of money. And maybe the accounting officer can tell us something whether even this quarter, since this year began, we have never received any allocation for convening tribunal sessions. Without money, we cannot do that. We need to serve summons and hearing notices. We need to give transport refunds to the complainants and sometimes hotel accommodation. We need to pay witnesses, and where the witnesses are professionals like medical experts, we also pay a professional fee to them. And we need to transport members of the tribunal to the various regional offices. So without finances, we cannot convene any session. But
so there is a likelihood that the whole of this year you may not even have a tribunal.
If there is no allocation for the next quarter,
who are the members of the tribunal?
The members of the commission.
Members of the commission has been on record. Why are you not meeting? Because you are commissioners in your own capacity. Let's start from who? Hajati, Hajati, Commissioner Shifla. Why are you not convening tribunal sittings? And why are you not meeting? Be on record. Okay, let's start from the other side. You are still trying to recorrect. Wait, the first commissioner?
Honorable Chair.
No, let me first capture this one, then I open up.
You're so merciful to the brown lady. Why don't her answer?
There's what?
You're so lenient to the brown lady. How can she answer?
Mr. Chairman, I can answer.
Okay, answer. Okay.
Mr. Chairman, for record purposes, I'm Hajat Shifra Lukwago, a member of the Commission Council. Mr. Chairman, we are just invited to go for tribunals with the instruction of the chair, and then it's supposed to be the chair and not less than 3 commissioners. So we are waiting to be invited. We are ready.
Yes, the next commissioner.
Thank you, Honorable Chairperson. As commissioners, we are available to participate as members on the tribunal. We are informed when resources are available is when we proceed. And the arrangements are made by the Director, Complaints, Investigations and Legal, together.
Chair, clarification. Clarification, Chair. If I allow clarification, we shall not let them pass be all on record.
But Chair,
No, don't worry. We are opening up here. You're going to just record it. Yes, are you done? Commissioner.
Yes, Honorable Chair and members, as long as resources are available, the chairperson comes up with a program for tribunals, and every tribunal session is consisted of the chairperson and 3 members of the commission.
Okay, Honorable Pindi.
Mr. Chairman, I am hearing